You think you are so slick, don't you? Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and welcome to my September, or should I say, end of the season backyard tour. And I thought I'd start underneath the patio, like I did the spring video, so some of us can see the difference in some of the plants. Most of them are in the same spot, with a few new ones here and there. And starting off, back here we have Coleus with polka dot plants. They did okay. Underneath we have concrete tea light holders that the ants, yes, the ants carried away. Picture that sitting out on your patio at night after 3 glasses of wine. Let's see, back here we have my little menagerie evidently of white cocktail begonia that need to be put out in the front yard. Next to a tomato plant that actually did well this year. I had to tie it up because too much wind going on. They actually did okay this year. About 2 big tomatoes a week plus a couple small ones here and there. There's one coming in down there that I will pick tomorrow. And then over here underneath the table we have Coleus, Black Dragon, and Wizard Jade in those 3 pots. Spider plant. And on top we have oregano that I didn't think was going to make it. But one day there it was. Petunia that's not looking so great. Lavender over here that's going in the ground after it blooms for the 2nd time. My grill with my stash of water evidently. Oh, here's the other oregano. I planted 3 pots and this one did great. I'm actually proud of it because I planted them from seed. I need to cut on it a little bit. Blue pansies that I'm actually shocked that are still living. Black Dragon, Coleus, and these 3 white pots. Trio of pots that I got this year, along with those blue pots over there. Sun Coleus, bright lime green. More Coleus, looking kind of sad. I just watered them again, so they should perk up in about an hour. And then back here, I bought this trellis this year. I'm not going to plant anything underneath of it. I'll probably move it around every year. A tulip pot of proven winners. I think they're called Mulberry Charm. Petunia. Whiskey white begonia. And then back here, this once was a cover for a grill, and the top blew off last year, so I decided to keep it and maybe plant some vines around it of some sort, clematis or roses, something. So for now I just hang things on it and put flowers around it. Ferns that did great. Pink begonia that the birds keep getting into. Every morning I walk out here and there's a stem broken. Seed them in those clay pots. Dracaena spikes. That's how I pronounce it anyway. Dracaena. Forget-me-not lilies. They're on their second rebound. Potato vine. Petunia. More begonia. And then back here we have what they call surprise lilies. The leaves come up in the spring, die back, then the stalks come up with pink flowers on them. Some people call them naked ladies. So I'm waiting for them to die back a little bit and then I'll mow over them. Then back here is a work in progress actually. The birds decided to eat every single one of those begonias that were planted in those concrete pots. Every single one of them. They've attacked plants on the front porch too. They've never done that before, and the only plants that they've actually broken up were begonia. They were white in here, so I guess they don't have a color preference. And then over here, my wall of honeysuckle, it just got done blooming. It'll bloom again this next month or so. A lonely petunia over here in the corner. My iris bed, that's clearly done. And the Coleus, I just watered that too, so it's not looking so great. Did excellent. Huge. 2 of them. Petunia. My blue gazing ball, I've had for a couple years now. Hosta, that blooms kind of a light purple color. Always full of bees, love it. And then over here I have my Clematis that I actually planted late. I didn't plant it until June. I didn't think it would flower. So far it hasn't, but that's okay. It grows probably 1 to 2 inches a week, I would say. I tied up the downspout hoping the excess will climb up a little bit. We'll see if it has time. My basement that I never got to, well, I have scraped on it here and there. I power washed it last year and there was more paint. More paint kept showing up, different colors. Spider plant on that old table, Coleus that I just watered. There's that lime green, love it. Wandering Jew, I have a few of those. Spider plant, Coleus. Let's see. Oh yeah, and under my back tree, Coleus, spider plants, begonia, a big fern. Begonia's got huge. It's hanging from a 20-foot chain all the way up there, hanging from that branch, just because I had to have something hanging there. Oh, there's another Dracaena spike plant out in the middle of the yard. Sedum underneath. Bird bath that I just cleaned out, but it doesn't look like it. Impatience. Begonia, sedum. That plant's not actually that old, probably 5 years old, and it's already falling in the middle. It's alright. Coleus, another turtle. Begonia, Kong rose, Coleus. That thing got huge. Coleus, another sedum. purple flowers that are just coming. And that's about it. So, everybody, I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.